Enduring the loss of a loved one due to a fatal accident is not only emotionally overwhelming, but it also leads to substantial financial difficulties for a family. As a result, families often need to seek justice for their loved ones through a wrongful death lawsuit. Each wrongful death case varies significantly, making it challenging to predict the outcome without knowing the facts of the case. However, in this video, we'll outline some of the considerations and factors that influence the chances of a successful wrongful death suit. A wrongful death suit hinges on several essential elements. First, it should be apparent that a person's death has occurred, obviously. Second, the death must have resulted from another party's negligent, careless, or deliberate acts or omissions. Lastly, the survivors of the deceased must demonstrate harm caused by the loss, such as loss of income, emotional distress, or some other similar type of compensable damage. In summary, a wrongful death suit requires evidence of a loss of life, proof of negligence, and demonstration of resulting damages. The person eligible to file a wrongful death suit is going to vary from state to state. Generally, the decedent's surviving spouse can initiate a claim, followed by the children if there is no living spouse. Parents of the deceased may also be eligible to file a lawsuit if the deceased didn't leave behind a surviving spouse or children. In some states, siblings or grandparents might also be entitled to file a wrongful death claim. To improve the chances of winning a wrongful death suit, certain strategies can be beneficial. These cases can involve one or multiple defendants, and this can vary significantly depending on the circumstances leading to the victim's death. For example, a wrongful death suit can be brought against a drunk driver or a negligent trucking company and its driver. The key to a successful wrongful death suit lies in the careful collection and preservation of substantial evidence as early as possible. And this is where a lawyer's assistance can be really helpful. So let's talk about damages. In a successful wrongful death suit, the family members of the deceased may be entitled to compensation for their damages and losses. So what damages are available in a wrongful death suit? Well, the specifics can vary from state to state, but general types of damages usually include things like medical expenses incurred post-injury and pre-death, funeral and burial expenses, pain and suffering of family members, and loss of companionship, guidance, and instruction, and even the deceased person's lost wages. The pursuit of a wrongful death suit often begins well before any formal lawsuit filing. Upon gathering necessary supporting documentation, your attorney will typically send a demand letter to the insurance company. And this letter outlines the requested compensation amount and provides supporting evidence for the claim. Compelling legal writing is crucial to an effective demand letter, and a well-written demand can enhance the chances of getting a settlement without having to spend a year or more in litigation and go to trial. However, if the insurance company remains uncooperative, a trial might be the only path to obtain proper justice and compensation. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about a wrongful death incident that has affected you or your family, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to give you a free legal consultation and help you however we can. You can reach us at the number below in the video description, or you can find us at www.spetsasbust.com. That's www.spetsasbust.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.